Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So when you see this video, I just actually came home from work. Well, not just. I have recorded another video that you will see pretty soon, but when I was going home from work, it poured down rain. I used my Juvia's Place Sahara 2 palette and I created this look. So when I came home, all of my makeup was just like off. So I just tried to wipe it off. If I wasn't gonna film, I would actually just have removed everything and went into the shower. But now I just kind of tried to wipe it off, used concealer, and now I'm filming. So I thought that this would be a very chill video today. And that is also the Swedish word of the day, chill, which is in Swedish, chill. Chill. I thought that we could open up the Lookfantastic beauty box today together because I have some thoughts. So yeah, this is actually my first video doing this kind of video. I don't know if it's gonna be exciting. Let me know if you like it, but I do have a link to Lookfantastic in my description box in case you wanted to support my channel and purchase from that or order your own subscription box. So I will have that link down below, and this is just not for like Swedish followers. They have it in UK and a bunch of different other places, so please just go ahead and check it out. You can get like a subscription box and you pay a fee, no, but you pay money for it and you get a box every single month. This is not sponsored, I promise, but I did get this in PR. So we got this little book and the box just looks like this. I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys one product at a time. I always want to say at the time, but it is at a time, I think. Is it? I'm not sure. First and foremost, we have this product right here. This is from Ahava, and this is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. This is worth £8. This is just gonna deeply hydrate your skin. I'm reading off of the little book if you are wondering. It's filled with minerals and antioxidants. I cannot say that word. Antioxidanter, we say in Swedish. Blah, 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 it says. I will say I hate body lotions. I will put this in a giveaway, or if one of you guys want it, you can just DM me, because you know what, maybe we could do like a giveaway of most of the products in here. I have one product that I kind of want to keep, but the rest we can just do a little giveaway on, so you can just DM me down below and I'll send it to any one of you guys if you're just like subscribed and watch this video. I'll let you guys know more in the end of the video. Very spontaneous, I know, that's how I am. And then we have the Sun Drenched Body Wash from Mio, which is actually a furniture store here in Sweden. This is worth £3.15. I'm sorry, but it's a body wash. I don't need to read to you how to use it because I think you already know. Then we have something for the hair. This is from Percy Reed. Just looks like that. Hopefully you can see it. It is worth £8 as well. And it is a primer for your hair. You can use this alone before styling to enhance your do, like your hair. It makes the hair more manageable as well as adding moisture, shine, and definition. Very, very nice. And then we have this Ico mascara. This is just like a little mini size. So this is worth £10. That's a lot for a little mascara. But it adds some volume and whatnot. I like the mascara. I don't love it. I don't think it is the best mascara out there. This is, by the way, from Ico. Ico? I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's what I'm gonna say. And then we have the product that I kind of want to keep, or will I? I don't know. Let's read a little bit more about it. This is the Caudalie serum, and this is worth a little bit over £15. A worldwide cult favorite, and for good reason. Ooh, just that sentence makes me want to keep it. This Caudalie facial serum is packed full of vinifyrin. It is 60 times more effective than vitamin C, and it is scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. Use this before bed onto cleansed skin, massage into the face and neck. Very exciting. Last up, we have a blush from Bella Pierre. I'm just gonna show it to you guys because I think that on me, this would turn up as sort of like a bronzer. So I would like for someone with a deeper skin tone to get this product, but I'm not sure. Maybe it would work on everyone. I'm not really sure. Anyway, let's read a little bit about it. So this is worth 15 pounds. It says that it's creamy, recommended by makeup artists and dermatologists. It's a mineral blusher that will bring a healthy flush of color to your face whilst looking completely natural. You know what? I'm gonna give away the entire box. I really want to keep this one, but hopefully one of you guys can get it and love it. I really want to keep this though, but I'm gonna give it away. So I'm just gonna have this up for like a week or something, and then I will DM the winner on Instagram or on email. So if you don't have Instagram, just leave your email down below. If you want to enter through your Instagram, then leave your Instagram handle down below. Don't DM me about this giveaway because you will be taken off the contest. You will not win because I hate when people spam me. You don't need to do anything else. Just, you know, leave a comment about the video and you will get some free products. It's open internationally, so there's nothing you need to do besides watch this video and give me a little like. So hope you like this video. A huge thank you to Lookfantastic for sending this out. It wasn't my preference, but going to therapy has taught me, I can't talk English today, has taught me that in order to appreciate the good, there needs to be something bad, because otherwise everything would be good and that wouldn't be good in the end. You know what I mean? So this was just not my cup of tea, but hopefully someone of you guys will love and appreciate all of these products. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Like it if you did, dislike the video if you didn't like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!